guys, welcome to VDH Academy, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss an example. So if a comma b comma c are angles, then prove that the value of sine 2a minus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 cos a sine b into cos c. So as here we are given with the condition that a comma b comma c are angles. So we already know that sum of angles such as a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So now let us name this equation as equation 1. And now let us try to prove the example. So let us consider the LHS sign and group the terms. So here by considering LHS sign and grouping, we get sine 2a minus sine 2b as one group plus sine 2c. And now here in the first term, where we can use the formula of sine c minus sine d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d divided by 2 into sine c minus d divided by 2. And then in the next term where we have sine 2c, so here we can use the formula for multiple angle, which is sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a into cos a. So by using both these formulas over here, we get 2 cos c plus d, which is 2a plus 2b divided by 2 into sine c minus d, which is 2a minus 2b divided by 2. So here we are finished with the first term. Then coming to the next term, so here we get plus sine 2c, which can be written in the form of 2 sine c into cos c. So that implies we can also write this in the form of 2 into cos. By taking 2 as the common factor, we get 2 into a plus b divided by 2 into sine 2 into a minus b divided by 2 plus of 2 sine c into cos c. And here 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator gets cancelled, and similarly here 2 also gets cancelled. So here we get 2 cos a plus b into sine a minus b plus 2 sine c into cos c. And here in this first term where we have cos a plus b, so we can use the identity where cos a plus b is equal to minus cos c. So by using this identity over here, we get minus 2 cos c into sine a minus b plus 2 sine c into cos c. And now the next step will be taking common factor from both these terms. So here we have common factor as minus 2 cos c. So by taking that term as the common factor, we get minus 2 cos c into sine a minus b minus sine c. So here by using the identity where sine c can be replaced with sine a plus b, so by using this identity over here, we get minus 2 cos c into sine a minus b minus sine c, which is replaced with sine a plus b. And now let us multiply minus to the inner terms. So here we get 2 cos c into, here this term becomes negative whereas this term becomes positive. So let us write positive term, which is sine a plus b, then the negative term, which is minus sine a minus b. So here by using the formula of sine a plus b minus of sine a minus b, which is equal to 2 cos a into sine b. So that implies we get here 2 cos c into the formula, which is 2 cos a sine b. And now let us multiply. So here 2 into 2, which becomes 4, and then we get cos c into cos a into sine b. So now let us rewrite in an order. So here we get 4 cos a, then next angle is b, so here we get sine b into cos c, which is nothing but the value on the RHS side. So hence we prove that the value of sine 2a minus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 cos a sine b into cos c. And make a note of the formulas for sine c minus sine d and the formula for sine 2a, and also the formula for sine a plus b minus sine a minus b is equal to 2 cos a sine b. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VDH Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.